So now that we've compared the key to the pivot, it's time to go to the heart of this algorithm, as I call it. So this one line kind of return statement here, but yet it does so much more than that. So looking at a bit bigger here, we've got three things going on. So the three things we've got going on, and if we ignore the return keyword for just a moment, the three things we've got going on, so you'll notice how the middle list is just the middle list. So there's no recursion on that. That is not called or anything. Just basically every time something is tidied up from the left or the right, you know, at the end it's going to be merged with the middle there. But basically you're going to keep breaking this down. So when you've got your left list, you're going to keep breaking it down until you get a left, a middle, a right, and until you get down to the base cases. And the base case is being left with no elements or being left with one element. That's going to work for that. Similarly over here on the right list, you're going to keep calling it until you break down to eventually to the base case, which will be no elements or one element. And of course you may, or you will also come across the middle lists in both of these and here, where you could be left with just one element or two elements, but they will always be sorted. So with that one line there, when you eventually have broken them all down, you will combine them, join them all back together, a bit like Humpty Dumpty, bring it all back together one piece at a time. But these two fellas are like a recursion here, where they keep calling themselves, keep calling the function within the function. And when you get all that sorted out and your list all sorted, you then return that sorted list, which is all put together. You return that, and you're back into your code there, and that's basically the quick sort finito. And we'll have a look at the algorithm in the next video.